Hello everyone, this is Sivagami from SNS College of Engineering. As I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology, here we're going to learn about the topic is object-oriented programming paradigms. Let's see the topic. First we're going to know what is OOPS. What is meant by OOPS? Okay, what is OOPS? Object-oriented programming language. Okay, object-oriented programming language paradigms that organize the code into reusable components is called object. The paradigms that organize code into reusable components called a object. What combine data and methods? It contains the data and methods. What is meant by object? It contains data and methods. It empathize the modularity, scalability and reuse. It empathize modularity, scalability and reuse. And the next one is we're going to learn about core principles of OOPS. Core principles of OOPS. The first one is encapsulation. What is meant by encapsulation? Hides the internal details of the objects and express only the necessary functionality. Advise using access modularity like a private, protected and public. The next one is inheritance. What is meant by inheritance? Mechanism where one class derives the properties and behave from another, promotes code reuse and establish a hierarchy. The example for here I give a example and how create a object. Okay, what is mean by object? Object of a class representing a specific entity. Object of a class representing a specific entity. For example, car space my car equal to new space car. Here the my car is a object name. Here I create a car as a class name. My car is a object. New is a keyword and car open parenthesis is called as the constructor. The next one is this is the syntax for creating a object. This is the syntax for the creating an object. Okay, the next one is methods. Functions inside a class defining object behavior. Methods means functions inside a class. It's defining object's behavior. Okay, for example, void start. Void is an return type. The start is an method. Here the void is an return type and the start is an method name. Here I just print the statement, that's it. Here the system.out.println is the printing statement in our OOPS. Okay, here I want to give printing statements in double quotation. Car started. Okay, the next one is attributes. Variables inside a class that defines the object properties. Attributes. Variables inside a class that defines object properties. For example, string color equal to red. Here the string is an data type, color is an variable name and equal to I just assign a red color to that variable name color. Okay, it's called as an attributes. Let's see the real world analogy. Think of a car. Let's see real world analogy. Think of a car. Class. The class is the blueprint for a car. Class. The blueprint for a car defines common properties like a brand and color. The objective. A specific car. For example, Toyota is in a red color. Okay, the next one is encapsulation. The engine is hides and controlled through an interface like the string. Okay, the next one is inheritance. Yes, truck is a specialized type of vehicle. The truck is the specified type of a vehicle. The next one is polymorphism. A vehicle starts methods behaves differently for an electrical car and a diesel car. The next topic is abstraction. The abstraction for the real-time example is, as a driver you can how to drive but not a internal working of of the engine. Okay. The next one is the applications of OOPS. The applications of OOPS is game development, your GUI based application, enterprise systems, and web development framework. For examples, here I give examples also. Okay. Thank you everyone.